Call of Duty Black Ops 6 introduced third-person perspective as a new feature for Zombies mode. This enhancement provides better customization options and improved accessibility for players. The first method uses the gameplay settings menu. Access the main menu or pause during a Zombies match, then navigate to Settings, Gameplay, and Camera options. Select third person from the camera perspective dropdown and apply the changes. The second method uses accessibility settings. Navigate to Settings, then Accessibility, and find Camera Perspective under Visual Accessibility. Toggle Enable Third-Person View to on and adjust Field of View settings as needed. The third-person camera is positioned approximately 3 to 4 meters behind the player character, slightly elevated above shoulder level. The default field of view is 95 degrees, though 90 to 110 degrees is recommended for optimal gameplay. Field of view settings significantly impact your third-person experience. The recommended range is 90 to 110 degrees, which provides optimal balance between awareness and visual clarity. The performance impact of third-person mode is minimal, with only a 2 to 3% increase in GPU usage. Switching between first and third-person perspectives is instant, with no noticeable reduction in frame rate. Third-person perspective is now available in Black Ops 6 Zombies, offering enhanced customization and accessibility. Enable it through either the gameplay settings or accessibility menu for an improved gaming experience. Third-person mode in Black Ops 6 Zombies offers several key advantages that can enhance your gameplay experience. The first major advantage is enhanced situational awareness. You can see zombie hordes approaching from wider angles, giving you better peripheral vision to spot threats early. Second, you get improved movement tracking. Navigating tight spaces and obstacles becomes easier when you can see your character's full body and positioning. Third, you gain full character visibility. You can see all your customizations and weapon skins, making the visual experience more immersive and rewarding. Finally, third-person mode can reduce motion sickness for players who are sensitive to first-person camera movement, making longer gaming sessions more comfortable. However, third-person mode also comes with some disadvantages that you should consider before making the switch. The primary disadvantage is reduced aiming precision. Headshots and long-range accuracy can be more challenging, especially with sniper rifles and precision weapons. Additionally, some cover-based strategies become less effective. Precise peeking around corners and using cover optimally can be more difficult from the third-person perspective. Community data shows interesting adoption patterns for third-person mode. About 35% of Zombies players have experimented with third-person perspective. Of those who tried it, 18% now use third-person as their primary perspective, showing that while many experiment with it, fewer adopt it permanently. To get the best experience in third-person mode, specific settings adjustments are recommended. Let's look at the optimal field of view settings first. Set your field of view between 100 and 105 degrees for optimal awareness. This provides the best balance between visibility and performance. Camera sensitivity should be increased to 1.2 times your standard sensitivity to compensate for the different perspective. This helps maintain responsive controls. Use a dynamic crosshair for better target acquisition and set your HUD scale to 90 to 95% for improved visibility without cluttering the screen. Finally, increase your overall sensitivity by 15 to 20% to compensate for camera lag and adjust brightness settings as third-person mode can appear slightly darker. Remember, when using cover in third-person mode, focus on positioning rather than precise peeking. The wider perspective changes how you approach tactical situations, so adapt your playstyle accordingly.